Respected Principal Ma'am, my fellow colleagues, and my dear students, the Central Vigilance Commission of our country has been declaring the observance of Vigilance Awareness Week every year to encourage the fight against corruption. The theme for this year is Independent India at 75, Self-Reliance and Integrity. Swatantra Bharat at 75, Satyanistha se Atmanirbharta. This year, schools are also included to inculcate greater awareness on vigilance in public life by making students and teachers take an integrity pledge. Now I invite our respected Principal Ma'am, Ms. Lisa Roy Malik, to lead the pledge.
Good morning, everyone. Children, good morning. How are you doing, everyone? I hope you are fine. Alright. I'm very happy to see you in the school, and this is our first meeting, and all firsts are very, very important first, and also very, very memorable. So this day, I meet the senior most school, and I'm very glad to meet you today. God bless you all. And as ma'am said, being vigilant is not just about taking a pledge. It is about being vigilant about yourself, right? Your thoughts especially, because your thoughts are things which turn into action. So it is very important that you think in the right direction and you think well, okay? It's very important for you to be able to pick up the rights and wrongs, because that is what is going to differentiate you from the other people. That's where you are going to be uniquely marked. Okay? So let's take the pledge. I request all the teachers also to say the pledge along with the kids. Okay? Alright, so we take the English pledge first and then followed by obviously Hindi. While I'll be speaking the Hindi pledge, there it is written Karta. Right? So I'll be saying Karta, and the girls can anyways turn themselves into Karti. Alright? So that's smart enough. You people are smart enough to do that, but still, as she said, I have to lead by example. This pledge also says that I have to lead by example. So I have to give clear instructions to you so that we don't go wrong anywhere. Alright? So, alright, so this is the English pledge. I believe that corruption has been one of the major obstacles to economic, political and social progress of our country. I believe that all stakeholders such as government, citizens and private sector need to work together to eradicate corruption. I realize that every citizen should be vigilant and commit to highest standards of honesty and integrity at all times and support the fight against corruption. I therefore pledge to follow probity and rule of law in all walks of life, to neither take nor offer bribe, to perform all tasks in an honest and transparent manner, to act in public interest, to lead by example, exhibiting integrity in personal behavior, and to report to any incident of corruption to the appropriate agency. That's English. You can put your hand down. What I'll do is, you can just, I will read out the first part because it's quite long and your arms are aching, I see. So I'll read the first part loudly. You can chant along with me, and then while I say अतः मैं प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ, then you can take the pledge position. Will that be fair enough? Okay. So सत्यनिष्ठा प्रतिज्ञा. मेरा विश्वास है कि हमारे देश की आर्थिक, राजनीतिक तथा सामाजिक प्रगति में भ्रष्टाचार एक बड़ी बाधा है. मेरा विश्वास है कि भ्रष्टाचार का उन्मूलन करने के लिए सभी संबंधित पक्षों जैसे सरकार, नागरिकों तथा निजी क्षेत्र को एक साथ मिलकर कार्य करने की आवश्यकता है. मेरा मानना है कि प्रत्येक नागरिक को सतर्क होना चाहिए तथा उसे सदैव ईमानदारी तथा सत्यनिष्ठा के साथ उच्चतम मानकों के प्रति वचनबद्ध होना चाहिए तथा भ्रष्टाचार के विरुद्ध संघर्ष में साथ देना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट पोजीशन. अतः मैं प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ जीवन के सभी क्षेत्रों में ईमानदारी तथा कानून के नियमों का पालन करूंगा, ना तो रिश्वत लूंगा और ना ही रिश्वत दूंगा. सभी कार्य ईमानदारी तथा पारदर्शी रीति से करूंगा. जनहित में कार्य करूंगा. अपने निजी आचरण में ईमानदारी दिखाकर उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करूंगा. भ्रष्टाचार की किसी भी घटना की रिपोर्ट उचित एजेंसी को दूंगा. जय हिंद. So that was the pledge, children. I'm sure some portions of it you will not only stay with you, but also will be food for thought. You will hopefully carry along a few thought processes in your mind, because some words, some expressions will stay with you, and it should trigger some thought processes within your mind. And the moment we have been able to do that, aggravate that thought process, we have done a good job. The basic, attitude, the basic reason behind CBSE taking up this kind of pledges is to make you people think, because we are looking at a thinking society. What we as teachers in the school, our first and foremost motive is to make you think, so that you do a good job at becoming responsible citizens a few years hence. All right, take care of yourselves. I wish to see you and hope to see you for the next papers. Prepare well. Good luck. Have a great day ahead.